Hello, and welcome to 11406 San Joaquin Ridge in Littleton, Colorado. We're starting here in the master bedroom. Faces west. With a large walk-in closet with cedar floors, double sink, soaking tub, standalone shower, and commode. One thing to note is that it is directly at the top of the stairs and into a set of double doors, making it very easy to move your furniture in. This home does have 3 bedrooms here at the top level. And all 3 closets on this level have cedar wood flooring. The 2 smaller baths have a Jack and Jill bath connecting them. And both bathrooms upstairs do have skylights to allow in beautiful light without having to use your electricity. This bedroom also has a large walk-in closet, again with your cedar wood floors. Nice sitting area. Laundry room here on the 3rd floor, so that you aren't having to carry them up and down the stairs. At least not all the time. The home does have 2 gas fireplaces, one in each of the living rooms. This one is obviously converted from wood. And this living room opens up to the back deck on the west side. I hope you enjoyed that bit of quiet serenity out there. You have a small dining area here, right off the kitchen. And more of the regular dining room on the other side of the kitchen. The more formal sitting room or living room, I suppose, is on the east side of the house, which has beautiful shade from the trees there. As you saw, the west side also had quite a bit of shade. Double doors out the front, a nice covered walkway there. It is a 2-car garage with direct access into the house. Helping you stay dry in the worst of weather. You do have a main floor, large bedroom, right off the garage as you saw, with a smaller walk-in closet, and again, cedar floors. It has its attached bathroom, which serves also as the guest bath on this floor. The tiled shower. And the 5th and final bedroom is downstairs. That has its own little gathering room with a built-in sink. Storage under the stairs. Furnace and water heater are in this room. And you do have a shower in the basement as well. And this is the final bedroom downstairs. You have an egress window, making it easy to get out in case of an emergency, and a good-sized closet. Thank you for joining us on our tour of this beautiful home today. please feel free to see us on our website, www.legacyproperties-pm.com, or call us at 720-989-1996 to schedule your own private viewing of this beautiful home. Once again, thank you for joining us on this tour, and have a great day.